Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share a new UI and UX prototype that my group has created named the Coffee Dealer app, a silk mobile first experience for coffee lovers and vendors. I'll walk you through the key screens, flows, design decisions, and how the user interacts with the app. So, let's dive in. First and foremost, the app overview. Here's the bigger picture. The coffee app is designed for users who want to discover, order, or manage coffee, whether they are consumers who want fresh bevs or vendors who manage inventory and deliveries. The goal is to simplify coffee purchases or sales, highlighting special beans, easy checkout, the vendor dashboard, and maybe the community features around coffee culture. So as we go to the opening, here we land on the login page, which is a very warm welcoming to an individual who is about to go through the application. First and foremost, the individual has to enter their login details, which is the username and the password, so that they can sign in the application, or they can use their GitHub account or the Google account to make it easier for the individual to go into the application. So after the user has entered their username and password and click in the sign in button, it will take them straight to the home page. Home screen. My bad. So as we enter the home screen, we see a very aesthetically pleasing home page, giving us multiple beverages that are very aesthetically pleasing, and it actually encourages an individual to order more than just one because of how the page just looks. uh, the dark green infused with the light green actually is a very royal way, making it easy, luxury, and more sophisticated, making it simple, minimalistic for the design, so that a person can be pleased by how it looks. And with a touch of maroon and the descriptions each beverages have makes it very aesthetically pleasing for a person to actually guide through. So as we click on the espresso page, it takes us to its seamless design where a person can actually check the description of what the espresso actually contains, its price, and if they want to add more or deduct whether they've clicked more than just the recommendations they want. So underneath, we can see the delivery address where the user is actually asked to enter the street address where the company will be delivering their um, beverages at, the delivery date, and the payment method that will be used. So obviously, when the application is fully functional and running, the checkboxes would only require only one payment process. But right now, we can actually see that every single box is ticked. But when the application actually fully works and runs properly, it will actually indicate that only one payment process is needed. After that, we can see that underneath the payment method, we have where the beverages will be calculated at and indicating the subtotal delivery fee and total that the person has, an individual has selected. Underneath, we can see the add more items or the place order buttons. But before an individual places an order, let's just quickly go through the cart process. So at the home page, after clicking the icon where the profile is navigated, we can see that it takes us to a page where it says my profile, and under my profile, it has the card details where it will navigate us to where the card details will be. Underneath, we'll have, sorry, So when you click on the card detail, you will be required to actually add your card details, save, go back, and need to go check the profile where it contains all the person's details, where everything that's required. That's when you will save, go back. You can change your password, enable biometric, log out. You can click again the GitHub account, go back to the main page. You can delete your account, but yeah. So when you go back to the Espresso page, after entering all your details, choosing what you'll be paying with, place the order, and it will take you straight to the confirmation page where the required details will be shown, like the order number, the details where the processing status is, the address, the date, payment method, calculations. When you click back on the homepage, again, when we go to the espresso, we can add more items. For instance, the latte, where you can add or subtract how much you need. Again, fill in all the details that's required. And when you click on the payment method, again, shows us everything that's required. Seamless design, perfect design that is very easy to navigate and simple for an individual to go through. And when you go back to the home page and click on the cart, it actually shows you your previous items that you actually bought. And yeah, that would be it for the application. When you sign out, it takes you back to the login page. And yeah, if you are a coffee lover or a vendor, this could be a game changer. Streamlined, elegant, and designed for mobile from the ground up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this prototype walkthrough, hit like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. What features you would actually add, and what changes you would do. Until the next time, goodbye.